Hello class 3, good morning to all. So as you can see on your screen, this is your chapter 5, The Curious Baby Elephant, and in today's class we will do revision. So we all know the story about the baby elephant, and we all know what had happened at the end of the story. And now it's time to do revision of question answer. So you can see two contexts are given there. Context number 1 and context number 2. Context number 1 is go to the grey, green, greasy Limpopo river. She said you will find your answer there. That means someone is saying here go to green, greasy Limpopo river. And she also said you will find your answer there. Now here the question arising is who said this to whom? We all know Colo Colo bird. Colo Colo bird said this to little elephant. What answer would the listener, find? Here you can see the listener would find the answer go to the grey, green, greasy Limpopo river. See, did he find his answer? No, he did not find his answer. Context number 2. Here he waited and waited but nothing happened. He waited and waited but nothing happened. Who waited and waited? The baby elephant waited and waited. B. What was he waiting for? What was he waiting for? He was waiting for trunk to string. C. For how many days did he wait? He waited till the end of the 3rd day. Next context number 3. Context number 3 is I think today I will begin with you. I think today I will begin with you. Now, question A. Who said this to whom? We all know the crocodile said this to baby elephant. B. What was this a response to? This was a response to the baby elephant that he was in big trouble. See, what happened afterwards? Afterwards, he sat back on his haunches. Now it's time to do some long answers. Answer these questions. Question number 1 is what did the baby elephant want to know from the giraffe? What did the baby elephant want to know from the giraffe? So now you can see the answer is the baby elephant wanted to know from the giraffe what made his skin spotty. The baby elephant wanted to know from the giraffe what made his skin spotty. Number 2. Whom did he ask about the taste of melons? Whom did? Here he means little baby. It means baby elephant. Whom did he ask about the taste of melons? He asked the baboon about the taste of melons. he asked the baboon about the taste of melons. Question number 3. For which question did the baby elephant not get an answer? For which question? For which question? Here we have to put here question mark. Next line. The next page. What does a crocodile have for dinner? This is the question. What does crocodile have for dinner? For this question, baby elephant not got an answer. Question number 4. Where would he get his answer according to the bird? From where did he get his answer? According to the bird, he would get his answer from the grey, green, greasy Limpopo River. According to the Kolo bird, he would get his answer from the grey, green, greasy Limpopo River. Question number 5. How long did his journey to the Limpopo River take him? How long did his journey to the Limpopo River take him? We all know his journey to the Limpopo River took him 1 week. In 1 week. Question number 6. What did he carry with him to eat on the way? What did he carry? He carried a lot of bananas, sugarcane, and melons with him to eat on the day. Okay. Next, what did the crocodile do to the baby elephant? What did the crocodile do to the baby elephant? The crocodile caught him by his little nose. Crocodile tried to catch him or already caught the nose of little elephant. 8. What had happened to his nose by the time the crocodile let go? What had happened to his nose by the time the crocodile let go? By the time the crocodile let go, the elephant's nose kept stretching and stretching. By the time the crocodile let go, the elephant's nose kept stretching and stretching. Question number 9. What made the baby elephant happy with his trunk? What made the baby elephant happy with his trunk? The baby elephant was happy with his trunk when he knew that his new nose was turning out to be quite useful for plucking fruits and grass. The baby elephant was happy with his trunk when he knew that his new nose was turning out to be quite useful for plucking fruits and grass. Question number 10. What do you learn from the story? We learn from the story that when the other elephants could bear it no longer, they all went to the crocodile to get new noses just like him. That means we learn from the story that when the other elephants could bear it no longer, they all went to the crocodile to get new noses just like him. Now, here, this is your homework. So, you have to mention here or write here true or false according to the statement. The elephant's child was very curious. True. Long ago, elephants had small noses. False. Elephant's child managed to make his nose smaller by wrapping it in a banana leaf. False. Number 4. The baby elephant thought that his new nose was quite useless. False. Number 5. All the other elephants went to the crocodile to get longer noses. This is true. Now you can match your answer and learn it properly. And you also have to learn all the word meanings. Here, in your fair notebook, we have written several word meanings, just like here I am going to show you here. Curious, politely, spotty, creature, baboon, spank. These are the hard words, okay? So you have to learn it. Learn all the hard words and also the meaning. Curious, eager to know, spank, beat lightly, trudging, walking slowly, buzzing, moving, oozy, watery, musky, strong smelling, tusky, full of long teeth, haunches, back portion of the body, etc. So learn it properly and do preparation for the exam.